There are so many TV shows about or involving zombies that it could be almost become a genre in and itself. Indeed, zombie TV shows are at the least a subgenre of dramas, thrillers, post-apocalyptic shows, and even sometimes comedies. The concept of zombies, indeed former humans roaming around the with a singular mission of finding human flesh to feast on, has been approached from every single angle imaginable. Here are the 10 best zombie TV shows of all time. Number 10, Ash vs Evil Dead 2015 to 2018. Fans were devastated when this reveal of original Evil Dead trilogy by Sam Raimi was cancelled after 3 seasons on Star Z. Even so, Ash vs Evil Dead remains the top-rated zombie shows among IMDb voters. Bruce Campbell returned to reprise his role as Williams in the show, which approached the topic as a sequel. Now living alone and dealing with a life day by day, Ash finds himself having to be a hero once when Evil Dead returns and humanity needs to be saved. Number 9, Kingdom 2019. Hailing from South Korea and available in North America through Peacock, Kingdom is a political period horror thriller set in the fictional medieval inspired time during the Joseon period. At the heart, it is a crown prince who investigates what is going on in his community when a plague seems to take over, causing humans to become infected and turn into zombies. Number 8, The Walking Dead 2010 to 2022. The longest running series on the list, AMC's The Walking Dead, being at one set of the zombie apocalypse. Humans who have died turn shortly after become mindless roaming walkers, as they are called on the series. As the initial lead character Rick Grimes learns early on, everyone's infected and will turn when they are die, not just those who have been bitten. Number 7, iZombie 2015 to 2019. In this CW supernatural procedural crime drama, which is loose adaptation of Chris Robinson and Michael Allred DC comic book series of the same name. Olivia Liv Murray is a medical examiner who became a zombie. This, however, doesn't stop her work with the police department. Instead, she eats victim brains, which help her temporarily inherit their memories and personalities, so she can provide details to help police solve the cases. Number 6, Santa Clarita Diet 2017-2019. Streaming on Netflix, Santa Clarita Diet only lasted 3 seasons, but it managed to make the list thanks to its compelling storyline and a list cast that including Drew Barrymore and Timothy Olyphant. The movie actor played Jolie and Celia, a happily married couple who work in a real estate but find their lives change forever when Sheila starts to demonstrate symptoms of being a zombie. She has a strange craving to consume human flesh, and her personality is slowly changing, making her more impulsive than she was before. It is an interesting spin on the typical zombie genre that combines elements of horror with comedy. Number 5, Brand New Cherry Flavor 2021. The newest show on the list, Netflix is home to this horror drama and limited series that is based on the book of the same name written by Todd Grimson. Lisa is a young woman who traveled to Los Angeles in the hopes of finally being able to direct her first movie. But when she partners up with the wrong person, she finds herself caught in a nightmare of the situation that involves not only zombies but also hitman, supernatural kittens, and a tattoo artist with the power of curse people. Zombies are only one part of the larger theme of Brand New Cherry Flavor, joined by an interesting mix of others. Number 4, Fear the Walking Dead 2015. The first spin of the series of The Walking Dead, AMC's Fear the Walking Dead, follow a different cast of characters doing their best to survive in the other part of US, starting pre-outbreak in the first season. Beginning in Los Angeles, the show moves around throughout Mexico, Texas, Virginia, and other locations. The fact that show continuously refers its main cast, including some of the best characters introduced after season of the Fear Walking Dead, has breathed new life into each season. Number 3, Helix 2014 to 2015. It's only lasted 2 seasons, but Safi Helix was well reviewed by fans. A viral outbreak has two results in human have been exposed in one, it's fatal and they are instantly die. In the other, they become zombie-like creatures who are violent, dangerous and out for blood. As the Center of Disease Control and Prevention, scientists trying to figure out what is going on and how to stop it. They discovered that there might be a cure, and so the story continues as the scientists try to control the spread while also learning that caused the outbreak in the first place. Number 2, Z Nation 2014-2018. Airing on the Sky Fair of 5 seasons and now streaming on Netflix, Z Nation begins when 3 years have already passed since zombies apocalypse. Most humans are dead, but Murphy is one of 3 persons inmates who underwent an experimental program conducted by the government. Each inmate was given a different vaccine and Murphy is only one to have survived. Number 1, Daybreak 2019. With a comedic angle of zombie apocalypse, Daybreak is about a 70 years old high school outcast named Josh. Following an apocalyptic event in California, he goes searching for his British girlfriend. Daybreak is a chock full of pop culture references. As he commences his journey, Josh meets an eclectic group of helpers along the way, including a 10-year-old pyromaniac and former bully. Together they must fight enemies they encounter. Among them all are adults have turned into the zombies they call ghoulies.